This tutorial is going to be about quizzes, which actually we're transitioning to a new way to do this in Canvas, so this will be kind of new for me as well. So we used to go to the quizzes down here, but I got access where if you go to assignments, the new version is going to be up here actually next to assignment and group quiz tests. So you can see I've done a sandbox already, but if we want to do a new one, we click this and it'll actually just look like a regular assignment. So give it a title, optics quiz, points, groups, we already have. The submission type in terms of external tool, I think that's for us to use an external link to find it. And then give it a due date as well. So I'll do the date of my final. I haven't used this, so I don't want my students to freak out, so I'm just going to do save, not save and publish. Now this is going to be the new thing it takes us to. This is pretty cool. It's kind of like Google Forms, so if you've done that, it's going to look really familiar to you, and you'll probably have an easy time using it. But it transferred the title over. We can add some instructions here, take the quiz, whatever you want to put there. And then when I click this plus icon, it actually gives me options of what type of quiz I want to do. I'm going to keep it simple right now and just do multiple choice. And then you can see it makes the template for me. So let's say we're just again learning about light. Add the question bending of light is yada, yada. So here's my answers. The correct answer would be refraction. And since this is highlighted, that means it is the correct answer. So if it's not highlighted, so like reflection down here, that would be an incorrect answer. If I wanted more options, I can hit plus, and then it'll add in a fifth one for me, you can see down here. But if I don't want as many, I can come to the right and just hit the trash, and that'll get rid of those. So let's just say I actually only want two. That's the bare minimum, the basics pretty much. Now there are options here. You can give them a calculator, but if they're doing this on their iPad or computer, they probably can access that on a website anyway, or might just have theirs in class. And you can make it worth a certain point total down here. As with anything else, you can add another question beneath this, but let's just see what this one looks like when I hit done. As long as I filled in the proper things, I should be good to go. And here's what the quiz will look like for the students. And you can keep editing and add more, of course. If you don't like the question, you can always go back at it or just delete it in general.